Apple Watch can be a quite helpful companion in combating stress, as the details below should demonstrate. We may not realize it, but in the thick of things, we often end up in a balancing act between varying responsibilities, wearing ourselves out until our energy levels run dry. The sensible thing to do, of course, is to take preemptive action, and the Apple Watch can help with that. Traditionally, in the health department, the Apple Watch gets credit for its heart rate tracker, the ECG app, and activity tracking, but the device has a few other tricks up its sleeve. Reduce stress with Apple Watch. Here's a rundown of a few indigenous and third-party interventions to help you relax with the Apple Watch. 1. The Mindfulness app. The Mindfulness app, built into WatchOS, uses proven techniques to help reduce stress. It offers 3 options: state of mind, reflect, and breathe. Breathe sessions use haptic feedback to indicate when to inhale and exhale. Reflect sessions include an insightful question to direct attention. Here's the science, courtesy of Headspace. By shifting our breathing rate and pattern, we can stimulate the body's parasympathetic nervous system and trigger a calming response, which decreases our heart rate, blood pressure, and muscle tension. New with WatchOS 10 is State of Mind, which helps you track your mood over time, build greater self-awareness, and more. 2. Meditating with the Apple Watch. Continuing with the mindfulness theme, the Apple Watch features some neat applications, namely Headspace and Calm, both available on the App Store. They feature limited free meditative content, while the rest is locked behind a paywall. The Headspace app even has an SOS feature, where users can pull up a feeling overwhelmed 3-minute meditation. 3. Yoga or exercise. When wanting to be a bit more physically active, the Apple Watch has got that covered as well. The Daily Yoga app is an option that offers both free and paid plans. There's also Apple's native exercise app for a yoga or mind and body workout. 4. Music. Use the Apple Watch to play a song or album of choice. It's incredible how listening to a favorite track is associated with positive feelings and can melt away any stress. If music isn't helping, perhaps listening to a favorite comedian might do the trick.